So orthogonal circles. So definition here, two circles are said to cut orthogonally if the tangents at their points of intersection are at right angles here. Means these are the two circles here cut each other and we are the centers here, centers of the circles. So this is the center here of the first circle. Just draw tangent to this circle at the point of intersection here. Okay, so at this is a point of intersection. You draw the tangent to the second circle from the center of the first circle here. This is a first tangent here. So similarly, here this is the center of the second circle. You draw tangent to this first circle from this center, passing through this point of intersection here. Passing through the point of intersection. So this is a tangent here. Then this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, then we say that these two circles cut each other orthogonally. So definition is what? Two circles are said to cut orthogonally with the tangents at their points of intersection at right angles here. This angle is 90 degree at right angles. So here these are the two given circles here. Intersect at the point of P, whose centers are A minus G1 minus F1 and B minus G2 and minus F2, and their radii AP is equal to root of G1 square plus F1 square minus C1 here, and radius of second circle BP is equal to root of G2 square plus F2 square minus C2. Now use the distance formula. By distance formula, here AB is given by, so root of minus G2 minus of minus G1 here, minus G2 minus of minus G1, it's a square here, then plus minus F2, so right here minus of F2 minus of minus F1 here, so minus of F1, it's a square here. Therefore this is equal to root of here this minus become plus here, G1 minus G2 whole square here, so G1 minus of G2, it's a square plus F1 minus F2 whole square here, F1 minus of F2, it's a square here. You know that these two circles are orthogonal circles, therefore angle APP is 90 degree. Since given circles cut each other orthogonally, we have angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle APB is not a right angle triangle. Therefore from triangle APB, therefore from triangle APB, Pythagoras theorem satisfied here. Means AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square here. Therefore AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square using Pythagoras theorem. You know AP is this here. AP square becomes G1 square plus F1 square minus of C1 plus BP square becomes so G2 square plus F2 square minus of C2 is equal to, and AB square here, AB square is given by, so G1 minus of G2, it's a square plus f1 minus of f2, it's a square here. Okay. Then expand these results here. You write these terms as it is. g1 square plus f1 square minus c1 plus g2 square plus f2 square minus of c2 is equal to g1 minus g2 whole square becomes g1 square plus g2 square minus of 2 g1 into g2 plus f1 minus f2 whole square becomes f1 square plus f2 square minus 2 f1 into f2. Here g1 square, g2 square, g1 square, g2 square cancels here. f1 square, f2 square, f1 square and f2 square get cancels. Take these two negative term left side here, minus become plus, and these two negative term right hand side again minus becomes a plus here. So 2 g1 g2 plus 2 f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2 here. So this is the condition here. If this condition satisfied, then two circles cut each other orthogonally. This is the condition. This is the condition so that two given circles cut each other orthogonally. Some important results here. The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square is again a circle is called a director circle, and its equation is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Means this is a circle here. Okay, and its equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so this is one tangent here, and this is one more tangent here. So to the same circle, and they are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Yet this is one tangent and this is one more tangent here. These two are perpendicular to each other. Again this is a tangent and this is one more tangent here like this. It is a perpendicular to both these two tangents here. Therefore there are so many such type of tangents here. Okay, so consider this a tangent here, and this is one more tangent. So both are perpendicular to each other. So next consider this is a tangent here, and this is one more tangent. So both are perpendicular to each other. If we join all these points of intersections here, okay, then you will get one curve here. Even that curve is also the circle here. And that curve is also circle. Here, this point of intersection. Just join here. All these if you join points here, then we get a circle. That circle is called a director circle here. Equation of this director circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square here. Similarly, suppose equation of this circle is this here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then its director circle is this here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus g square minus f square plus 2 is equal to 0, plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation of this director circle is this here. Okay. So the locus of the midpoints of the system of parallel chords of a circle is diameter of the circle here. So just observe here. So this is one circle here. Okay. And this is center of the circle here. Consider this one chord here. Its midpoint is this here. Okay. Midpoint of this chord is this part here. Consider one more chord here. and parallel chord here. Again, midpoint of the chord is this here. Midpoint of that chord. So here is one more chord. Even this is also parallel to the previous one here. So this is midpoint of this chord here. Therefore, there are so many parallel chords here like this. There are so many parallel chords. These are midpoints of these parallel chords here. Then if we join all these points here, that is the diameter of the circle here. Therefore, the locus of the midpoints of the system of a parallel chords of a circle is the diameter. So here if we join all the midpoints here, that line passing through the center here, then obviously it is the diameter of the circle here. The pair of tangents from origin to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0 are at right angles if g square plus f square is equal to 2cr. Means here is the circle here. This is one tangent and this is one more tangent here. So passing through origin here. So both tangents are passing through origin if this condition satisfied here, g square plus f square is equal to 2cm. Therefore, the pair of tangents from origin to the circle are at right angles. Okay, here this angle is 90 degree here if g square plus f square is equal to 2c. So two circles intersect if modulus of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Okay, so two circles intersect here like this. If this condition satisfied here, and one circle lies inside the circle, means here is one circle here. Okay, so consider C1 is the center here. C1 is the center here, and one more circle here like this, and this is C2. C2 is the center of the second circle here. Then here R1 is the radius of the big circle, and R2 is the radius of the small circle here. Therefore, one circle lies inside the other if C1, C2 is less than modulus of R1 minus R2.